eyeshadow for your nails, you gotta try this. What's up, guys? So I'm just starting off by cleaning my cuticles with my nail drill. I found these on Amazon, by the way. I'll be linking everything. These were bomb because I didn't have to shape them. They was already shaped. Well, I had to shape a little, but you'll see. These were already the shape that I like. Nail prepping is a must. So right now I'm just dehydrating my nails to take away all the oils so that the glue sticks for a while. And then I am just using a primer. I'm not sure what this is for, to be honest, but I know that everybody uses it. After that, I just use this nail bit to roughen up the fake nail and also my own nail. That's just so that the glue really sticks on there. Now I'm just adding the glue to my actual nails and the glue to the fake nail. Make sure you apply a good amount, like that much, so that it sticks well and lasts a lot longer. Then I go ahead and just cut off the tips and just cut off as much as you want. The length that they came were really nice, but it was just too much for me, so I just cut them and shaped them the way that I liked them, and this is what I liked. And then after, I go in with this nude. Again, I'm going to be linking everything, guys. This nude looks really nice with my skin tone, so that's why I picked this one. And now I'm just going to cure my nails for 30 seconds. I did this twice, by the way. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and apply the matte coat on top of the nail already. And that's just so that the eyeshadow sticks a lot better to the nail. I'm starting here with dark brown just so that like it blends better when I add the black. And I'm doing this to obviously all the nails and not bringing it too high up. And then I'm just adding the black to just give it that dimension. And again, be light-handed with this because it does go on dark. So again, just doing that to each and every one of my nails. Then I try to take as much product off with that same brush and just kind of blend everything together. Blend it sideways and blend it up just so that everything's seamless. This is how they'll look. Finally, I go in with some clear shiny top coat to just seal everything in and just make them look fire. Guys, this was so easy to do. I promise you, like, I am no nail expert. I literally, trust me, I'm not. And look at this. Like, it looks like I literally went to the salon and paid $100 and something for my nails. Like, they're fire.